Hey guys, so here's another lock that I got from Mexico, and this is actually a Yale. Although if you look close, the keyway I would say is actually Schlage, so for me this would be a Schlage keyway, not really a Yale keyway, but doesn't matter. A lock is a lock, so works perfectly. And as far as I can count, hopefully not like the Brass Society, it's actually a 6-pin lock. Bidding is quite nice, so let's have a look if I would be able to pick it on camera. It's not the easiest lock there is, and for me it's a fun pick. So just like that, so that I can look around the camera and hopefully not get that much in your way. Just move a little bit so that I can give you a little bit more light. Hopefully. There we go. So one, nothing. Let's go to the back. Got nothing on the front binds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can tighten it a little bit. So 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 gave me an interesting click. Now that was number 1 that gave me a solid click. 2 gave me a click. Let's see. That's 6, nothing, but something dropped. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing. 5, nothing again. 6, nothing. Okay, number 1 moved, but I'm pretty sure I overset him, so there we go. Once again a click. And he's set to 2, 3, 4. Once again, I think the number 1 is like something like a gatekeeper, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 gave a good click. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 5. I think 5 if I can go under him. Come on, number 5. Yeah, 5. Okay, 1 again. 2, 3, nothing. 4. There's a small rotation on the core. Let's try again. 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. Come on, 5. Yeah, okay, that's the rotation. Number 6, I think, is the last one that needs a little bit of a nudge. Oops, that was too much of a nudge, I guess. One, 2, 3, 4. I think that's 5. That was actually 6. Let's go back 1, 2, and it's open. So there we go. Finally. Okay, that took me a while longer, but I'm happy I got it. So let's have a look what is inside this Schlage core Yale branded lock. wonder if one owns the other. I'm curious. Okay, I will actually look it up. Or at least maybe I will try not looking it. Now let's just look it. So we'll press this detent here, which will hopefully stay down while I open it. Okay, so this is down, this is out, detent. Let's dump it here on number 7. There should be a spring as well. Correct. And we have our key. And then I will just hopefully push this thing out. Very nice. So all 6 chambers are populated. Sweet. So starting to dump them out. 1, 2, okay, that is 3, 2, 4, 5, and 6. They all look like they're standard pins. No idea which for the front. Okay, this is a small spool. And there's another spool. Oops. Some very strong spring and another spool. Yeah, these are quite big springs. And another spool. All spools? I didn't feel that many spools. I only felt some small in the last one. Okay, yeah. So all of them are. Well, I would call that a spool, or maybe a one serrated pin. Come on, let's see. Focus, please. Focus, focus, focus for me. Well, it doesn't work that much, but I think you got the idea. Anyway, so these small spool slash serrated, I would say spool pins, were inside this core, and nothing changed in the Bible itself. But that will not be for long. I'm pretty sure I will repin this lock as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching and keep it Lego. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, ciao.